Right, hi guys, welcome to another video. So I'm in this garden and I've seen something that I've never seen before. I saw it once 2 weeks ago when I did this garden last, and I assumed it was some sort of animal sick, cat sick. I've never had cats, so I don't know, but that's what it kind of reminded us of, kind of thing. So I still don't know what it is. I've come today and there's another 4 or 5 bits on the grass, and it's clinging to the grass, like weirdly, as though it's sort of growing on the grass. I mean, last week I just put some water on it and then mowed over and it was fine. It reminds us of sort of caviar, quite uniformed when you get down close to it, and I'll show you. It's weird. Come and have a look. So this garden, I only cut the grass in. I don't do anything else. So yeah, so you can see here. Try and get you close up. It's almost like, looks a bit like cauliflower, and I don't know what the hell it is. It's weird. And there's a bit here, there, and yeah, there's a few more bits dotted down. You can see there, just down here. There's a big bit here. There, big clump of it. Really weird. I'll probably just put some water over it again and go over it with some more, and I've obviously got my gloves on and all that kind of thing. Yeah, bit of a strange one, this one. Right, so I'm back in the car. I've had a good Google, and I've managed to find it. So it's a thing called, it's like a slime mold, white slime mold. So if you Google that, it should come up. It's been likened to like tapioca and like dog sick and things like that. It's not a fungi. It's actually like a, I've literally just Googled this, mine. So it's like an amoeba type thing, like an organism which grows and hatches, and that sounds sinister, but it's not. It's not harmful to humans or animals, and can be treated using a number of methods. Bicarbonate of soda, I think you can put on it, and physically removing it, like mowing it and things. Yeah, give it a Google. It's something that I've never come across before. Quite interesting. Not the most pleasant thing to look at. So yeah, just thought I'd share that one with you. Cheers. See you in the next one, guys.